aim of this experiment is taming and hypnosis potentiating effect of chlorpromazine in mice. The objectives of this experiment are to understand the terms mood elevators, antipsychotic, neuroleptics, antimanic or mood stabilizers, tranquilizer. To understand ptosis, psych, psychosis. To understand schizophrenia, delusions, hallucinations. To know various methods employed for evaluating psychotropic drugs. The nosology makes basic distinction among psychosis, cognitive disorders, mood disorders, anxiety disorders, and disorders of personality. Antipsychotics are used primarily in the management of patients with psychotic and other psychiatric illness marked by agitation and impaired reasoning. One must understand that the essential characteristic of human mental disorders cannot be reproduced in animals. Therefore, cognition, communication, and social relationships in animals are difficult to compare with human conditions. Chlorpromazine is used in the treatment of psychiatric disorders of various types. It has remarkable actions to reduce psychomotor excitements, alter manic states, and also in schizophrenia. It involves suppression of spontaneous movements and complex behaviors, while spinal reflexes remain intact. In humans, chlorpromazine reduce initiative and interest in environment, manifestation of emotions, slowness in response to external stimuli, drowsiness, and patient becomes less agitated. The aggressive and impulsive behavior diminishes, delusions and hallucinations disappear, which is known as taming effect. The psychophysiological and behavioral effects produced in animals by chlorpromazine show striking similarity to human beings in low doses. Chlorpromazine reduces excitement, but spinal reflexes are unchanged. In high dose, chlorpromazine causes cataleptic immobility in animals, muscle tone is increased, and ptosis is typical. The animal is indifferent to stimuli. Chlorpromazine also has other clinically useful properties apart from neuroleptic effect. It has antiemetic and antihistaminic effects and ability to potentiate analgesics, sedatives, and general anesthetics. This tranquilizing and neuroleptic activity of chlorpromazine is known as ataraxic activity. The ataraxic activity is more than its sedative and anesthetic effect. Chlorpromazine induces tranquilization, that is, taming or calmness, without sedation or loss of alertness. The taming and potentiating effects of chlorpromazine can be studied in laboratory animals like mice and rats by observing the avoidance of conditional response, animal behavior, ability to potentiate CNS depressants, reduced motor activity. The responses can be observed in following manner. Chlorpromazine potentiate barbiturate sleeping time in rodents by employing writing reflex method. Conditioned avoidances response by employing pole climbing method. Reduced spontaneous motor activity by employing actophotometer. Potentiation of analgesic activity by hot plate method. Antagonism to stimulant drugs. Suppressed combativeness.
To study the taming and hypnosis potentiating effect of chlorpromazine, always select healthy mice. Cook's pole climbing apparatus is used for this purpose. The apparatus consists of an experimental chamber with floor grid which carry electric current. A pole is hanged from the top of the chamber inside it. The electrical panel consists of rotating knobs for adjustment of time of electric shock and voltage. It is also provided with auto and manual setup for buzzer or light source along with mains on off switch. Pole climbing apparatus also has output terminals which can be connected to a kymograph. Now place the mice individually in the chamber and observe normal behavior. Train the mice to escape from electric shock by climbing up the pole. This is called as non-conditioned response. Similarly, train the mice to climb up the pole in response to danger signals such as buzzer, sound, or light flash which occurs before the shock. This is called as conditioned avoidance response. Remember, this may require 2 to 3 weeks period. Keep mice number 1 as control. Now inject chlorpromazine in a dose 4 mg per kg intraperitoneally to mice number 2 and observe conditioned and non-conditioned responses. You can see that chlorpromazine blocks conditioned avoidance response, which means the mice forgets to climb on the pole in response to the danger signal. However, chlorpromazine fails to block non-conditioned response. This is indicated by escape of mice to electric shock by climbing on the pole. For studying hypnosis potentiating effect of chlorpromazine by writing reflex method, select 3 healthy mice of either sex. Inject chlorpromazine in dose 4 mg per kg intraperitoneally to mice number 1. Observe onset and duration of sleeping time in mice by checking writing reflex at regular intervals. Here, sleeping time is considered as the time intervals between loss and recovery of writing reflex. In mice number 2, inject pentobarbital in a dose 45 mg per kg intraperitoneally. Observe onset and duration of sleeping time. Remember, writing reflex in mice means the ability of mice to regain normal posture. You can see here onset of sleeping time is quick and duration of sleep is prolonged than mice number 1. In mice number 3, inject chlorpromazine in same dose by intraperitoneal route and after 30 minutes inject pentobarbital in a same dose intraperitoneally. Observe onset and duration of sleeping time. You can see that onset of sleeping time reduces, whereas duration of sleeping time increases in mice number 3 as compared to mice number 1 and 2. This indicates chlorpromazine has hypnosis potentiating effect on pentobarbital induced sleep.
You have learned that you will be able to distinguish between different psychological disturbances in human being. Selective antipsychotics are available in a peculiar psychic disorders. You will be able to understand that animal models employed do not always give true efficacy about a drug. Therefore, cognition, communication, and social relationships in animals are difficult to compare with human conditions.